Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Barchart and TradingView. Barchart and TradingView are popular platforms for market analysis for different audiences. Barchart is a robust platform offering comprehensive market data, especially strong in futures and commodities. It caters well to professionals needing detailed charts, historical data, and analytics tools. The site includes advanced screeners, custom wish lists, and daily trading signals. Its layout is more data-focused and may feel complex for casual or new traders. While not a visual modern, its accuracy and depth are trusted by serious market analysts. The free version has limitations, but premium plans offer excellent value for data-heavy users. On the other hand, TradingView is a visually intuitive platform with powerful charting tools for stock, forex, crypto, and more. Its user-friendly interface and cloud-based access making it great for beginners and pros alike. Users benefit from a large community sharing trading ideas, scripts, and technical analysis. Customizable indicators and drawing tools make technical analysis seamless and engaging. Real-time data and alerts are helpful, though some advanced features require subscription. Overall, TradingView is ideal for those who prioritize interactive charts and collaborative trading. In my opinion, Barchart is ideal for data-driven market analysis, while TradingView is preferred for interactive and visual trading analysis. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.